Hi everybody. I wanted to share today a review of the product that I received yesterday, and I thought it was absolutely stunning. My husband and I have been married for 23 years, and we cannot remember many of the wedding gifts that we received. However, the one that we treasure the most was an etched Christmas ornament. And every year we get to place that on the tree together and be reminded of our special day. My brother-in-law is getting married coming up in 2 weeks, and I wanted to gift him the same kind of love in a gift that we had received 23 years ago. And so I found this site and I ordered this product, and it came yesterday, and I am thrilled with it. Now, this ornament came in a beautiful satin box ready for me to wrap already for his wedding. And the gift itself is not flimsy. This is a thick ornament. Heavy duty. Not only does it have their name and their wedding date etched into it, but it has their faces. Look at that. I couldn't even imagine if the gift that we received 23 years ago had our face on it. It would be such a thrill to be able to see how we have matured over the years. And I know my brother-in-law and his new bride are going to just love this. It's beautifully crafted. It comes with a hanger already, and it's beautifully done. So I hope that this review will inspire many of you to want to purchase the same gift for your loved ones. I hope you have a fantastic day.